Dear students, I'm going to give a special casual introductory lecture on sound. Just an introductory casual talks on sound. Basically, sound is an energy which produces sensation of hearing. Like when we define what is light, light is an energy which produces a sensation of vision. Sound is an energy which produces a sensation of hearing. Sound is basically a mechanical wave. What? Mechanical wave. Sound is an energy which produces a mechanical wave. Wave is basically a disturbance which travels from one point to another point in a medium. For example, when I am speaking, the whole room air molecules gets vibrating. When they are vibrating, then the eardrum is also vibrating. When your eardrum is also vibrating, then you get a signal to your brain that mechanical wave is sending signal to your brain, and then you decode the language what this teacher is saying. Interesting. Sound speed is what? It is measured in Mach. M-A-C-H, Mach. 1 Mach is equal to 332 meter per second. Or some people say it is 340 meter per second. You must be knowing supersonic aircrafts. Supersonic aircrafts move with 3 Mach, 4 Mach, 2 Mach, means they move faster than the speed of sound. Supersonic missile. Right now, an unfortunate, conflict is going on between Ukraine and Russia, and we see that there is a kind of supersonic aircrafts. So supersonic aircrafts are traveling with speed greater than the speed of sound. 1 Mach, 2 Mach, 3 Mach, 4 Mach. Well, 340 meter. Generally, we take 330 to 340 meter. Generally, that we take it STP, NTP. NTP is a normal temperature pressure. That is 298 Kelvin, 25 degrees centigrade, 1 atmospheric pressure. And STP is what standard temperature pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure, but standard is 0. Okay, we have fixed standard temperature as 0 degrees centigrade. So dear students, sound is basically a wave which is of two types. One is called longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. Second is called
transverse wave.
Transverse waves. Longitudinal wave travels in the form of compressions and Rarefactions. Compressions and rarefactions. This is called compression. This is called rarefaction. This is compression. This is rarefaction. And transverse wave travels sine wave. This is called sine wave. Right? So this is amplitude. This is progress. Okay. This is a sine wave. Omega t से मिला है. This is called crest, and this is called trough. And the crest distance is called wavelength. The conjunctive to crest distance is called wavelength. You know, in compression, pressure increases, temperature increases. In rarefactions, pressure decreases, temperature also decreases. So sound is basically neat medium. If there is no medium, then there is no medium, so my voice will not be audible to you. If there is a medium, I am audible. If there is no medium, you get it? Yes. So, what kind of medium it should be? It should have elastic property. The medium should have elastic property. Means when we speak in the medium, the elastic property of the medium makes the material medium to come back to its original position. It should have inertial property. Means the particles of the medium get displaced by virtue of the applied force, which are pressure. When we speak, we create a pressure here. Okay? And then it depends upon the temperature of the medium. If temperature increases, speed of sound increases. It does not depend upon the pressure. प्रेशर के ऊपर ये बिल्कुल भी डिपेंड नहीं करता है. So, sound propagates in all directions. Right? Sound speed is Mach, 2 Mach, 3 Mach, 4 Mach. 1 Mach is 332 meter per second or 340 meter per second. Right? Yes, sir. Do you know sound में बहुत एनर्जी होता है. अगर if you store this sound energy for football ground of the crowd, you can boil a cup of tea for 30 minutes. If you store the sound energy of a football FIFA World Cup match, then you can make a cup of tea. That much heat energy is developed. Okay. So thank you all. This is it for 8th standard introduction.